Hi, I'm Kevin with Ivies and Blanchard. I'm here with Paul with ProVia. Paul, tell us about our storm doors.
Just wanted to go over the storm doors that we have available for you guys. We have 5 different lines that you can choose from and over 30 different colors and many other options that you can choose. So let's take a look at a few. All right, so Kevin, let's talk about this storm door. This is our Super View storm door. You have about 5 different colors that you can choose from. This is economically priced. Some of the differences between this storm door and the one that you would find in the box store is going to be the thickness of the metal. The metal is around 33% more thicker than your competition's. This is also called a self-storing storm door. So this top sash drops down, this bottom sash lifts up so you can do your venting. You got your screen on the outside there. You'll have a kick panel down here at the bottom, and you'll also have your hardware and your closure in there also. So it's a good economically priced storm door for especially the guys that are out there doing patio covers and screen rooms. It's a lot more reliable for you than what you're going to get at your box store. All right, Kevin, so this is the same style storm door as the one that we just talked about. This is the Super View. It's in a bronze, and it's also in a full light. So the difference between this one and the one we talked about is you've got a full light here. You also have a removable glass. If you want to remove the glass, you can, and you have a full screen with that. You have a lifetime glass breakage warranty on these doors too. Wow. Which is a lot different from your other box stores.
Okay, Paul, so we talked about the Super View. This is a deluxe. Tell us a little about it.
Well, one of the differences in this is you've got over 30 different colors like we talked about before. So you can get so many different colors in this to match the aesthetics of your home. Also, you can do what we call art glass, where we hand paint our glass at the factory for you. Also, you've got your kick plate down here at the bottom that you can get reinforced. This is a full view again, so the glass comes out, the screen will stay in. As you can see from the catalog, we have so many different options in this deluxe series. So you just have to come up here, take a look, browse through the catalog, and see what works for you.
The closures and everything are color matched.
Correct.
To the color of the door.
So your closures and your handles that you pick will be color matched to the door that you pick.
And lifetime warranty on the glass breakage.
Yep, on all our storm doors.
Hey, Paul, tell us about the DuraGuard.
All right, so the DuraGuard, same thing with your colors. You got over 30 different colors that you can choose from. This right here is a self-storing unit. So as you can see, the sashes will move up and down. The cool thing about this door is if you're looking for security, this is the door that you want. If you have that big, large dog, or if you have small children and you're worried about them getting out, this is the DuraGuard stainless steel screens. This thing will not cut, so you don't have to worry. Very premium screen here. This also comes in black, and it also comes in white. You've got different profiles, like when you turn this door around compared to some of the other doors. You have a larger profile on here, more contouring up in here. Also, you'll have your closures and your handles, which will match the color on there. We also have trending colors that you can also paint your storm door. Another difference that you'll have on this storm door besides your box door will be a reinforced kick panel. So you got a piece of plywood that goes in between there. You don't have to worry about denting.
We're really excited about these storm doors. We think it'll be a great fit for your home and an upgrade.
And we're excited to partner with you guys, Kevin. So if you guys need a quality storm door with many options to choose from and paint colors, come down here and see Kevin at Ivy Lumber.